Let us see how the flow of execution in case of recursive functions work. Let me write a recursive program. So this program is actually computing sum of first n numbers recursively. So I'm writing if n equal to 1, return 1 because sum of 1 is 1. But if value of n entered is more than 1, I would return that n and would again call that compute function with one less value. For testing, let us just print it in the main part, compute 3. Now, let us execute this program to know how it works. Initially, association is made with the first function call. Now, n is not equal to 1, so it goes to statement 5, which is again a function call to itself with value 2. Now again n is not 1, so it's a function call to itself with value 1. This time it would return 1. This 1 is returned back to the second function call, where the return value becomes 3, which is then again sent back to the previous function call, that is with n equal to 3. And this is finally returned to the print statement. So my print statement would now print 6. Now this is how that executed. But let us now try and understand how the flow of execution in case of such recursive functions work. So actually the flow of execution was from statement 1 to 7, then 1, then 2, then 4, and so on. So let us understand how it works. Initially, association is made, then function call. So this is the call stack called to 3. Inside the function, the statement 5 is again a function call. So it again, before returning compute 3, compute 2 is called. Then again, since n is not 1, so it moves to statement 5, which is calling compute 1 function. So this compute 1, here it comes across the end statement, that is if n equal to 1, it is returning 1. So now it returns to compute 2 function and then finally to compute 3. And this is how recursive functions work.